Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we'll be showing you how to get faster internet. So without further ado, buckle up your seatbelt and let's get ready because we're about to dive in right after this intro. Well, welcome back. For the sake of non-technical individuals, we will facilitate things today to three terms: ISP, IP, and DNS. Now, ISP is nothing but an abbreviation for your internet service provider. Once you call them and you arrange everything, they assign you an IP. Now, with that IP, that is your key to the World Wide Web. With your key to the World Wide Web, you won't be able to go far, because once you go to your search bar and you put in www.facebook.com, for example, once you hit enter, nothing is going to happen because computers only understand IP addresses to talk to each other. Now that brings us to the third point, is DNS, domain name services, and this is what resolves the domain name. So for example, when you type in facebook.com on your search bar and you hit enter, your computer behind the curtains gets that name and resolves it into an IP address, just like the IP address that your ISP provider gave you. So in order for you to take full advantage of your DNS, 9 out of 10 your ISP provider will assign a DNS automatically for you, but most likely it will not be as good as the ones out there. And there are so many out there, like Google has its own, and I think it's 8.8.8.8, and there's also OpenDNS. There are a few of them out there. However, VeriSign, I think VeriSign as well has one, but we'll stick to the best of the best today, and that is Cloudflare. Now with Cloudflare, it is an amazing DNS, and again, in order for you to have a faster internet, you have to resolve the domain name that you provide into the search bar. So if you could have the best service out there like Cloudflare, you will take full advantage of a few milliseconds. And I do understand a few milliseconds is not really as fast as people want, but if you really think about it, in the long run, it accumulates and it will definitely achieve you a lot of time. And time is valuable, so if you could take advantage of anything that gives you a second here and second there, that's something, valuable throughout the time, if you think about it. So from here, I will show you exactly how to change your DNS on your MacBook, and then we will proceed to the Windows. So for the MacBook users, all you have to do is go to your system preferences and then click on Network tab, and then when that window pops up, if you look on the bottom right hand side corner, you're gonna see Advanced. Click that. Once you click Advanced, it will give you a window. If you look on top, you shall see DNS. Click the DNS tab and it will bring this window for you. Once this window is there, you can see that there is a grayed out address in there, and that is the DNS from my service provider. So in order for you to override that, all you have to do is click on that plus sign on the bottom, and that will allow you to enter the Cloudflare DNS, and that is 1.1.1.1, and click OK, and then re-click that plus sign if you want to add the secondary one, which will be 1.0.0.1. So this covers the MacBook users. Now let's go to Windows. So all you have to do is go to the bottom and type in CPL, and once you get the control panel, go to Internet and Networks, and then once you get there, click on Network Sharing Center. Once you get there, click on Change Adapter Settings, and once you get there, highlight the IP control version 4 and then hit its properties, and as soon as you do so, you shall get this screen. And 9 out of 10, as I said, you'll probably have your DNS assigned automatically by your internet service provider. So all you have to do is click the manual part, and then it will allow you to enter your own. And in there, you type in 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate one, you write 1.0.0.1. I hope this info was very informative, and I hope you learned something today. And if you like this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you comment, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for following this video until the end, and I shall see you soon. Bye now.